This is the moment that actually changed my life. I remember when I was going to work, I was on a train, and it's the first ever post that I've seen about affiliate market. It was affiliate marketing, right? About this online thing. It was a Dutch couple who was making 15K monthly in a laptop lifestyle, and they were in Costa Rica. That caught me curiosity. That's just last year. I can't forget that. That moment, with just single post, because of that post, that's when I got curious. That's when I went deeper into it, right? And I'm just sharing you this because a single post changed my life. A single post has able to pay off my 10K debt in the bank, even while working as a full-time on a job and having 8 kids. And that single post made me stepping out my comfort zone, starting my own online business, making more money than my regular job from a single post that I've seen. So this is the importance of posting in a social media. And the thing is, social media is free, right? So it is the opportunity for us, to change lives. And it is a life changer. But of course, you need to work hard for it. It's not just something, a quick, rich scheme that it will just happen instantly, right? You really need to work hard for it, right? You need to be committed on doing it. But the opportunity, man, is crazy. And it's even getting better because everything goes digital, right? And the beauty of it is you can do it everywhere. It's like what I'm doing now. I'm recording a phone, right? I'm recording this video for using my phone. I don't need any stand. Just saying this message, sharing the journey, sharing the experience, sharing an opportunity that changed many people's lives. You don't need to wait any pension no more, right? And just by doing it every day, the more you do it, the more you learn. The more you do it, the better you become. It's all about getting better 1% a day, right? And after 100 days, you're 100% better. And just keep on doing that, right? That's the whole thing. People overthink a lot, right? About life in general. We don't need to. It's all about simplicity. If you can simplify things, you can just, express it on a very understandable way. That's the best way. Okay, so just simplifying things, and then just a single post can change life. So think about it. If you want to know more about this opportunity, I'm telling you, just let me know. Peace.